We started our year at Berthon Spain with our new head of technical joining us early in the spring. He has brought about many positive changes in the daily operations of our dynamic engineering team. We've improved internal communication and streamlined work schedules with the implementation of an intranet system accessible by all of our technicians. The Guardiennage Department is remaining strong, expanding its fleet of mainly sailing yachts. Storage options we offer have really taken off this winter. The shed is packed with all kinds of boats and tenders, the biggest being the Maxi 72 racing yacht with us for the whole winter. The service team were involved with several major projects, a redesign of a fuel tank system, overseeing a full rig survey and rig service, major works to a feathering pitch propeller and autopilot controls, rebuilding a badly damaged matrix keel, and building and programming electrical onboard control systems. Towards the end of the year, our marine electricians became official registered installers for Starlink internet, which is extremely popular in Palma right now. We look forward to seeing you back in 2024.